Hello everyone, welcome to our reading class. Before moving to this video, we will recommend you to watch all the other 4 parts, part 1, 2, 3 and 4 of this series and then return back to this video. A say anar, A say am, A say anar, A say am. E say imli, E say eek, E say imli, E say eek. U say ullu, U say oon, U say ullu, U say oon. Ri say rishi, A say adi, I say ainak. Ri say rishi, A say adi, I say ainak. O say okli, okli, O say okli, okli. Au say aujar, aujar, Au say aujar, aujar. Say angur, say angur. Now let us fill few exercises. Try to fill in the blanks. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of this given word. I have filled it. It's okli. O say okli. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. I have filled it. It's aujar. Au say aujar. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of this given word. I have filled it. It's say angur. Now let us revise all the 5 parts of this series. A say anar, A say am, I say imli, E say eek, U say ullu, U say oon, Ri say rishi, A say adi, I say ainak, O say okli, Au say aujar, say angur. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. I will meet you soon in our next video. Until then, bye. See you. Take care.